What are the older boys
Ma'am,
doing?
they were in field.
What?
Ma'am, they were working in the field.
Yes, they were working in the field, and the smaller ones, the younger ones, they are playing near the house because they are small, so they can't work. They are playing there. And the woman is calling Lencho, the children, older one and younger one. Everyone come inside the house, we'll have dinner. Okay? So all are coming inside, they are sitting there, they are going to eat dinner. And when they were eating dinner, you know what happened?
Ma'am, Ma'am, when the Lyncho was eating his dinner, he feel that, ma'am, he saw
Yes.
big drops of rain begin to fall on the ground.
Yes. So just as Lenjo said here, right? We are really going to get some water, woman. Just same like that, rain started falling. Big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen. So when it rains, what happens? Huge clouds will start coming, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, yes. The air was fresh and sweet. So you know what happens during raining? Clouds approach, they start becoming darker, black and all. And that time the air will be fresh and it will be a very sweet smell, isn't it? So always farmers what they do, they always expect rain to happen because only when rain happens only the water comes, right? For all the crops. So they are happy when a rain comes, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So when rain comes, they can have good harvest. So when it started raining, Lencho was so happy